Be ready for the dictation. Start. Leave granted in Special Leave Petition number 1379 of 2011. The issue involved in these appeals is about the interplay between the provisions of Chapter 9 of the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 and Sections 272 and 273 of the Indian Penal Code. Criminal Appeal Number 472 of 2012 takes exception to the order dated 5th October 2010 passed by a division bench of Allahabad High Court. The appellant filed a petition under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 seeking quashing of the prosecution for the offences punishable under Sections 272 and 273 of the IPC. On 11th May 2010, the state of Uttar Pradesh issued an order granting power to the authorities to initiate prosecutions under sections 272 and 273 of the IPC as well as under the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954. On 28th August 2010, a first information report was lodged by a food inspector representing the regional food controller Agra against the petitioner alleging the commission of offences under sections 272 and 273 of the IPC. The allegation was that though the appellant did not possess a license to sell the commodity of mustard oil, he continued to carry on the business of sale. Another allegation was that the petitioner had adulterated the mustard oil, edible oil, and rice bran oil. The petitioner approached the High Court to quash the FIR on various grounds. The appellant relied on Allahabad High Court's decision dated 8 September 2010 in the case of Messrs. PepsiCo India Holdings Private Limited and another versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others. By the impugned order, the High Court dismissed the petition filed by the appellant. Incidentally, the decision in the case of PepsiCo India is the subject matter of challenge by the state of Uttar Pradesh in criminal appeal number 476 478 of 2012. In this case, FIR was registered against the respondent on 11th August 2010 alleging the commission of offences under sections 272 and 273 of the IPC. The allegation was of adulteration in the cold drinks manufactured by the respondent. The view taken in the case of PepsiCo India was that from 29th July 2010, when the Food Safety and Standards Act came into force, the provisions thereof would have an overriding effect over the food related laws including sections 272 and 273 of the IPC. Further, it was held that the police have no authority or jurisdiction to investigate a case under the Food Safety and Standards Act. Criminal Appeal Number 479 of 2012 takes an exception to the order dated 15th September 2010, wherein the High Court declined to quash an offence punishable under sections 272 and 273 of the IPC. In Special Leave Petition number 1379 of 2011, the challenge is to the order